Hello, batchmates, 1976. Looking back, 50 years ago, we graduated 1976. Today is 2026. It's 50th anniversary for the graduating class high school. I came back to Mabini when I was invited to be the commencement speaker in college. That was the first time. Then came back again during the 100th centennial celebration. We gathered here to go back to our memories. Thank you for coming. My message is a request to help the scholars in Mabini colleges who myself been a working student and scholar during my college days. After high school, I went to work for 2 years before I go to college because of some difficulties, financial difficulties. And gladly, I was a working student and scholar in the college days. And today, what I'm here is testimony for those who are struggling, who wants to make forward to have a better room in their life. As you know, we are now seniors, but it's just the beginning of our career life. Siguro hindi lahat sa inyo ay aware, I was our student in Mabini during college years, and it really changed my life. It gave me the chance to finish my education and build a strong foundation for my career. Dala ang foundation na yan, I migrated to Canada. I continued studying and work in various companies until eventually I founded a non-profit organization that helps our Filipino migrate here to Canada. This fundraising project for our 50th anniversary is very close to my heart. Alam ko, first hand, kung gaano kalaki ang tulong nito sa isang estudyanteng nangangarap. Let us work on this together to give back to our alma mater. I remember during the Centennial celebration, I have my friend, the name of Tirso Arcilia, with the President Rainer Ibana, who somewhat reminds that some working students need help. So, without hesitation, my friend, the $500 for five working students were given to that time. And it was the idea that conceived to help. And today, we are doing a fundraising to help those in need, working students. And I myself, I pledged one scholar for now. And I know the rest will follow. Thank you all, and this message is free to share. And thanks to Rico Ibana for initiating again this very wonderful project. I thank you very much, and cheers to all batchmates of 1976 and to Mabini College's alumni. Cheers.